class, so this week we are doing a table of contents and we're doing a title page. The title page should be fairly simple if you follow the instructions in your typing manual. This is showing you how to use the tab stop with the dot leaders to create your table of contents. I'm going to drag a document over so you can see it. Okay, so this is what the table of contents is going to look like. I'm going to turn my show hide button on. Notice I've got my 5 hard returns right here, so I'm going to just back that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and actually just like that, I should have 5 right there. I'm going to type on the 6th line, which is the word contents in all caps. Okay, notice these arrows. This means that I have used the tab stop. Okay, I'm going to pull up my tab stop. So if you click this launch button right here for paragraph, you see tabs. Okay, now the first one is going to be a 0.5 left tab. Okay, so if you type 0.5, make sure you've got left, no leaders, and set. Okay, the next one is going to be a 6.5, and it's going to be a right tab with a dot leader and set. Okay, now so you can see on the ruler up here, I've got the first tab stop right here is a left tab, so it's going to line up with the subheadings right here. So after you type this second line, you press enter, you're going to press tab so that it will start right here. I'm going to show you, but I just want to kind of go over it with you. The second one is the right dot leader tab. You can just see it right there on that mark. So when after I type introduction and hit the space bar and press tab, it's automatically going to come over here to this right here. Okay, so I'm going to back this up and I'm going to press tab and the number 2. And now because it's a right tab, when I hit the number 2, it automatically backs up instead of going to the next line. Okay, so right here I'm going to back this up and I'm going to hit enter, and here if I hit the backspace key, the tab key first is going to go to this 0.5 mark. So then I'll type ancient history, the space bar, and hit the tab key again because it's past this tab stop. Now it's going to go to this tab stop with the dot leaders. Okay, so basically when you open up your document in GDP, and let me go here to lesson, we're doing 5023. And by the way, you only have to do the first 3 documents in your assignment link. Okay, let me show you that also. Okay, so you've got these 3 documents. These are the ones you only really have to do for a grade. You can do these others, but you don't have to. So remember, you only are required to do the first 3 documents for a grade. And then, of course, your 2-time writings. Okay, so I'm going to go back here, go back here. Okay, so this is the table of contents, 50-23. I'm going to click Start from Scratch. So I'm going to open up the document. I'm going to click Enable Editing and make sure my show hide is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to hit the center tab, caps lock, contents. And then I'm going to go back, hit enter twice and go back to my left. And then because I don't have my book with me, I'm going to have to kind of wing it here. Okay, so now once I've got to this point, I'm going to go up here and create my tab stops. The first one's going to be a 0.5 left set, and then a 6.5 right with the dot leader set. Okay, so now I'm going to type introduction, and I hit the tab key and the number 2, enter twice. Historical evidence, tab 5. Now I'm going to hit the tab key again so I can type my subheadings, but they are not in all caps. And now I'm going to hit tab and 6, tab again, tab, tab again, and this time I'm going to go ahead and finish this one so I can show you the last part here. So make sure I am here, and it's going to be last 100 years, tab, and that is 912. Put the caps back on. The effects of global warming, tab 10, and so forth. Okay, so that is how you're going to do the table of contents. Okay, so again, just wanted to show you how to do that. And again, in your assignment link this week, let me get there, you only have to do the first 3 documents and these 2 time writings. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Remember, don't forget that you can use your word reference manual in GDP. You can come over here to lesson 50, and it's going to show you excuse my dog. It's going to show you what I just showed you of how to create your tab stops. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to let